Hi everyone, today I am going to make masala okra. If there is anyone at home, be a kid or an adult, who does not like to eat okra, then just add some potatoes and make this recipe. First, in a wok, warm 2 tablespoons oil. Take one big potato, cut it lengthwise, fry it for almost 5 minutes on high flame and then take it out. Here I have taken raw potato. You can also take boiled potato and fry it, or you can just add boiled potato after making the gravy. Now you can see the potatoes are fried, so let's make some gravy. Now in the same wok, add 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. Warm it. Here I have taken already cooked mustard oil. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon ginger paste and onion puree. For the puree you have to grind 2 big onions with a little bit of water. Mix it well. If you eat garlic, you can also add 1 teaspoon garlic paste at this point. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame and then add tomato puree. Again for the puree you have to grind 1 big tomato with a little bit of water. Mix it well. Cook it again for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now it's time to add some spices. On low flame add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon dry mango powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala and 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. The gravy is ready, so let's add fried potatoes or boiled potatoes, it's your choice. Take 500 gram okra, wash it and let it dry, cut it lengthwise and add it to the mixture. Mix it well. Cover it for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Mix it in between at least twice. If you cannot cut the okra easily with a spoon, keep it covered for another 5 minutes and cook it. It is cooked now, so masala okra is ready. Do try this delicious recipe at home and tell us about it in the comment section. If you like the video, like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.